Have you ever received one of those airline emails saying your compensation claim has been rejected? The explanation is often short, sometimes vague. And it is not always obvious whether the airline is right or whether it is worth challenging the decision. I built Airline Said No to help with that. I did not want to build an app that simply tells travelers they are right or wrong. I wanted to build one that helps them understand why the airline said no, and what they can realistically do next. For this demo, I am pasting a fictional airline rejection into the app. Once I submit it, GPT-5.6 begins analyzing the case. One design decision was especially important to me. The application never jumps straight to a recommendation. It always follows the same order: facts, interpretation, recommendation. First, it establishes what can actually be confirmed from the evidence. Then it explains the airline's reasoning in plain language and points out what information is still missing or uncertain. Only after that does it recommend one realistic next step. If I decide to continue, I can ask the application to draft a reply. The reply is generated from the validated analysis, rather than directly from the original text. It is calm, professional, and fully editable. Nothing is sent automatically, so the traveler remains in control throughout. I built Airline Said No with Codex and GPT-5.6 for OpenAI Build week. GPT-5.6 powers the structured case analysis and the grounded reply generation. Codex helped me turn a detailed product specification into a complete application. From the architecture and implementation to testing, accessibility, and refinement. Uploaded content is processed only for the current request and is never stored. Airline Said No does not promise that every refusal can become a yes. Sometimes the most useful outcome is simply understanding why the airline said no, and knowing whether another try is worthwhile. Thank you for watching.